Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 25th of January, 2024. I got this article from Bar Chart, and the title of it reads, Netflix is up 12% post earnings results, but Netflix stock is worth more based on its huge free cash flow. Okay, cool. Who is this individual who wrote this article? Well, apparently it is Mark Hake for Bar Chart. There's a couple of things that I want you all to understand when it comes to individuals and their opinions as to how much a stock is actually worth. First thing, this is just one person, okay? One individual, one man, and his thinking process as to why Netflix is worth more than what it's currently going for now. Okay, when you look at the chart in Netflix, the price currently is $548.29. That is the value of a stock in Netflix. That is what the market perceives as fair value. He is going to try to drum up his opinion as to why it is worth more. Cool. No qualms about it. Everyone is inclined to have their own opinions. But from our standpoint, we need to understand that it is just that, his opinion. The truth lies on the charts. The market is the ultimate decider as to what is valuable or what the value of a stock is going to be, period. Not one man who wrote an article on Bar Chart. All right, so let's put that out there first. Now, Netflix stock is surging today, up over 12% to $552.63 after its fantastic Q4 2023 results. But Netflix stock is still worth considerably more, as much as $625 or more. Okay, so Mark is trying to tell us, or to his readers, Netflix has a price target of at least $625 or more. This is based on its powerful free cash flow over the next 12 months. Do you know precisely what the next 12 months is going to be for Netflix? No. But you can also see that Mark wrote about this on 2 previous articles. He highlighted it on 2 past Bar Chart articles, one on January the 7th, and then another one on December the 12th, 2023. So this man has been writing about this for a while now, for a couple of months. Now, he's going to break down the free cash flow and how it impacts Netflix stock price and why he's getting his targets. But I want you all to understand the words that he has written in this article, and I highlighted them for you because these are all hypotheticals. These are all maybes, could have been, should have been. And here it is. Could be over. Analysts now project over the next year or thereafter. Could be. Another could be. Implies. Could reach. Assumes. All of these words are undecided basis that he cannot actually confirm, meaning that he doesn't know. It could be higher, it can be lower, it could happen, it may not happen. Though that is what all of these words mean. So in order for Netflix to hit his targets, all of these needs to hit on all cylinders. If one misses, then you cannot expect the price of Netflix to run to $625 or more. So he seems pretty bullish on Netflix, but given all of these hypotheticals within these 2-3 paragraphs, that gives me pause. And then you see this here. You have a subsection. Target price could be $637 or more based on free cash flow. You have another hypothetical. Could rise. Netflix stock could be worth 27% more. That puts the price target at $625.08 per share. But then, like I said, he has $637 here, but then he writes $625 down there. I'm confused. I think with all of the calculations and computation that he has done with the free cash flow here on this article, he's confused as to, okay, what should really be Netflix stock price target? What should the target be? So I think that's why he's going for $625 or more. Okay. So now let's get back to the chart, because we've done a price, or we did a price prediction in Netflix all the way back here, November the 17th, 18th, 2023. We were expecting the price action in Netflix to go up. So we're not surprised to see the market break out in Netflix. We're not. 8.31% was targeted into the market in Netflix. It would have been yesterday. So getting out of the market on the close yesterday in Netflix would have garnered, 16.82% from when we did a price prediction. So now, zooming out the chart, you guys can see I got this area circled. This is where we could possibly see Netflix trade within a range. We've been here before, so this is not new territory for the market. I'm pretty much expecting that the price action in Netflix is going to do just that. Okay, so look at this. If I were to zoom in right around here, this is where the market in Netflix saw the influx of sellers. Okay, so we can already create the sell zone here into the market in Netflix. Okay, right there. That is why the volume came through yesterday, and we saw the market close off of that zone. That's where sellers are. Now, let's take a look at this on a weekly chart. Okay, because I'm going to let the market conclude this week, and then I'll come back and do another price prediction for Netflix. But look at that. We've already seen this indicator of strength being triggered into the market in Netflix. And this is off of this massive move in Netflix over the last previous weeks, going all the way back to October 2023. So yeah, this stock is bullish, no doubt about it. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Have a day and 9 hours left. If the weekly and the 2 weeks bars both have that indicator of strength triggered like it is now, then we may actually see Netflix run to like those all-time high targets. Now, Mark is looking for 625 or more. Looking at this on the long-term chart, that is definitely feasible. Okay, and matter of fact, that is where the next sell zone would be in Netflix. Okay, so those would be our first two targets right there. Okay, so yeah, I actually like it right now. I do. I'm going to straighten up that sell zone real quick. And he's talking about like in the next 12 months. And that's definitely something that's feasible that you can actually see on a longer term chart in Netflix. So let me hold this here, and then maybe beginning next week, hopefully I won't forget, I could come through and drop another price prediction. But yeah, this stock is definitely bullish. I mean, any individual who has sight can see that this stock in Netflix has been on a run ever since June of 2022. Okay, so let me keep that there. I'm finished. Go ahead and give me your thoughts about, is it reasonable for us to see the market run up to $625 in Netflix currently, just off the chart alone? Yeah, it definitely looks feasible. You don't have to go and run those calculations that Mark has done with free cash flow and try to do all those hypotheticals, things that could happen, things that may not happen, things that has to happen. We just need to look at the market and see what they perceive as to what they think value is going to be over the next couple of weeks to months. Right now, it looks like the market thinks that the value is going to be a little bit higher than where it is today. Give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.